Habang kaluguran na Kapampangan, ali mo kailangan pumasyal ng malayo just to experiencing modern city living. And now in this video, I'm going to show you our model unit for one bedroom, specifically for Bryant Park Lane, which already are ready for occupancy condo, or the second ready for our occupancy condo here in Capital Town, San Fernando, Pampanga. So this is a total of 38 square meter with balcony. Ayan, so this is going to be the main door of your unit. So imagine mo na lang na siguro hallway to ng pinakang condo natin. So once you enter, your door will be wood. Okay? So here, may mga kasama na tayo dito yung part na nakalagay yung pinakang switches ninyo. And once you enter, dito na tayo by the living and dining area. But before we discuss with that one, let's check first the kitchen area. What's good about this condo or layout for the one bedroom is that closed yung ating pinakang kitchen. So this one is already provisioned for your fridge. Nakikita mo, included na yung ating mga cabinets on the overhead. Provision lang din tayo for the range hood. Ayan. And then for our 2-burner cooktop, provision lang din siya, including the under-counter cabinets. Right? This one naman, you already have here, kasama sa during the turnover, which is the sink and the faucet. And the best part about this kitchen is meron tayong sariling window. Ayan. So perfect to is most of the condos that we find in a developer. Minsan wala talagang kitchen area, but this one mas maganda kasi natural light are coming in. You can also open this one for more air. Okay, so this one naman, this is already an upgrade. So you can put here another shelves or pantry area or even your storage area na pwede mong paglagyan. Well, this one is actually for the washer and dryer. So kaya na din. And also, pwede nyo na maglagay dito ng additional shelf ulit sa taas. Kaya na yung magde-design mismo ng pinakang unit. So this is going to be the dining area. So this one is a 4-seater table. This one is also an upgrade. So pwedeng-pwede nyo siyang gayahin or gawin. And this is mga cabinets yan. Ayan siya. Yan. And then this one naman, this is going to be the living area. So here, actually kaya na itong mas extend nyo pa from there and up to here. Pwede na itong i-remove para at least more space pa on your end. This one naman already upgrade na itong part na to. Ayan. So kayo na bahala din kung paano nyo siya ma-maximize. Pwede din magkaroon ng shelf ulit here for additional books, cabinets dito sa baba. This is going to be your television and also provision tayo for window type aircon for this one-bedroom unit. So this is going to be the balcony side. Ayan. So makikita ninyo sobrang laki ng balcony for 3.5 square meter na total size. So ito facing natin ito, as you can see, this is going to be the mall. Ayan siya. Now, as we go inside, sige, pasok ka muna. Let's close the door. Ayan. So after the living area, let's check now yung pinakang bedroom ng one-bedroom unit na to. So this is going to be your sleeping den inside. So as you can see here, this one is already an upgrade for a co-working table if we are going to use this one, or work from home setup also. This is going to be your window for this unit. Included na to during turnover, which is the modular closet, and hindi na makita kasi nakasara tong other side. And part of the provisions lang tayo is for the air conditioner na window type. And also, what's good about that one is the window also itself. So meron na tayong dalawang windows dito sa room na to. So more natural lights, much better kasi mas mapapalaki itong space na to. And for your bedroom, ikaw na din bahala din mag-design. And also this one, just to check this one. Ayan, kayo na bahala din maglagay ng ganitong design para maging ma-elevate mismo yung pinakang unit niyo. So if you want to know more about this specific layout, kasi mga unit namin for Bryant Park Lane, the biggest only is the one-bedroom unit, and then the next one is already the studio. So if you want to know more about the specific layout, please don't hesitate to send me a message for pricing, sample computation, and to do a showroom visit. Once again, I'm Ken Manansala, Assistant Sales Manager here in Magna Road Corporation. See you again in my next video.